Okay, so it's time for breakfast, and as usual, I'm going to be having some leftovers, some beautiful fresh sockeye salmon that I made the other night with pesto and some herbs from the garden. I have some leftover roasted carrots with Za'Atar, thyme, Middle Eastern thyme mixture that I'm going to eat with that, and I'm toasting some Dave's Killer Bread. So I'm going to start with some black garlic puree. This is a very pricey jar. I don't think I'll buy it again, but it has a nice musty taste. A lot different than the regular garlic. And the other slice is going to get some pesto. There's also pesto on the fish from when and the more the merrier. Dijon. Dijon is a great complement for seafood. King crab salad with Dijon, lemon juice, and cumin, for example. Smaller, bigger piece. Bigger piece. Here's some organic spring mix. Some Campari tomato, sliced with a steak knife. Makes it real easy to do. Fish. And then the steak knife comes in really handy for cutting this beautiful sandwich. So that's leftover fresh wild sockeye salmon, likely from Alaska, with pesto, Dijon mustard, black garlic, and other flavors. Enjoy. Never get tired of that sockeye. Heating up these carrots and then having my breakfast. Decided to add some tofu to the plate. So that's breakfast. Enjoy.